literally just bought this unit. We've spent thousands of dollars on this packaged unit, and days later we come to find this. Trust me, I called the contractor, let them know, hey, your drain is not connected and it's all over the roof. I placed it back together like a Jenga puzzle. Can you please come back and just make sure that it's secure and that we won't have any issues moving forward? They said, no problem, and came right out. Sometimes things happen. Contractors don't intend to screw up your work, but sometimes they make mistakes. Sometimes they overlook things. So that's why it's good to double check their work. Okay, this one's a no-brainer. Somebody clearly messed this one up, and I'm gonna find out who, because I'm gonna find out who was the last technician that serviced that chiller, and I'm gonna have a conversation with them, and I'm gonna show them what happened and how detrimental it can be if rain was to get inside that panel. Mind you, sometimes they might send someone that's new, but in this case, this was one of those situations where you literally slaughtered this panel. You slaughtered the locking mechanism to where the door wouldn't shut close, which could cause a huge issue in the future if rain were to get in that panel. So I haven't made that phone call yet, actually. And last, we have the situation where I got a call where water's pouring down the store. So I went upstairs to the kitchen where they clean dishes, checked under the sink, and found that drain disconnected. So I just pushed it up, reconnected, but that drain system was just installed by a plumbing contractor who decided to take a dump on the job. This dude literally almost caused thousands of dollars of damage. Water can be your best friend when you're thirsty, or your worst enemy when you're trying to make money and things screw up and water starts spilling everywhere. Fortunately, I found this fast enough to get things dry, but time and time again, when you get something done, always check your contractor's work. Make sure the job was done correctly. You don't want to find out later on after there's a pool inside the office and there was never a pool in the office before. You might as well get your swimming trunks at that point.